With more CO2 output into the atmosphere, many strategies are being implemented to address the problem. One solution that is being implemented by Iceland is carbon dioxide removal, or CDR for short, which captures CO2 from the atmosphere produced at plants and pumps the CO2 combined with water into basalt rocks into the ocean. This process is also known as carbon sequestering. Luckily for Iceland, their plant can take advantage of their location and runs on geothermal energy. Iceland is vulnerable to climate change. As temperatures increase, more glaciers will melt, which compose a fraction of Iceland, and their location to the Arctic and melting sea ice will cause them to see an increase in floods, sea level rise, and runoff. Increase in runoff may affect many hydroelectrical plants and other crucial infrastructure and sustainable power sources. However, an obvious problem with this geoengineering feat is that it is inexpensive in cost comparable to greenhouse gas mitigation options, and also this process would have to continue permanently to consistently keep CO2 levels down. It is also important to note that Iceland is currently one of the few countries implementing this mitigation method.